Hello and welcome to this very warm and sticky summer solstice here in Hawley Woods. And this week I've just been bimbling around my local woodlands because if you saw my video last week, you'll know that I had a little bit of a heart scare, and so I'm just having to kind of take it easy until I get the all clear. Now, since last week, a couple of things have happened. I am very lucky and I get private healthcare through work, so I've been able to see people very, very quickly. Now, I had my original, it was like a preventative health screening on the Thursday. Nothing, didn't feel like anything was wrong with me, but it was just like a preventative thing. They did an ECG, and when she looked at it, she said there were these little irregular waves, little Q waves in my ECG, and she thought it might indicate that I may have had a heart attack. So she referred me off to a cardiologist, and I saw a private cardiologist at the private hospital on the Wednesday, so within a week. So super quick, really, really pleased with that. I'm very, very lucky. Now, he's looked at the ECG and he thinks that I haven't had a heart attack, which is great news. He said there are Q waves there, but there are two types. There's normal and pathological, and he thinks I've got the normal ones, which isn't anything to worry about. He ran some little tests, listened to my heart, etc., and he couldn't find anything wrong at all, so he thinks that I'm okay. I've been cleared to do brisk walking, which is great news as well. So the only thing he's concerned about now is, like, because I've got very high cholesterol, there could be kind of some flaring going on in the arteries and that kind of stuff. He says it doesn't sound like angina because I do a lot of walking, and usually with angina it's brought on by exercise, and there's no clear link with the pains I've had and exercise. 2 weeks ago I went out and did 11 miles, 600 metres of climbing, felt absolutely fine. It could just be stress, and I think there's a really good chance it could just be stress. But they've got to do this echocardiogram and the CT, look at my valves, assess my arteries, see if there's anything going on there, just to be on the safe side, and then at least we know what we're dealing with, if anything. So that's a massive weight off my mind. And that's booked in for Tuesday. So it's just been so fast. Yeah, I can't believe how quick it's gone. I really cannot fault that level of care. But one thing it has done is it's put the fear of God into me. So I decided to lose another stone of weight. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you'll know between last September and this April, I lost 3 stone. Well, I've decided to lose another stone on top of that and get down to 12 stone in weight. I may even go lower than that, but let's just get to 12 stone first. And I'm going to make a point of doing a lot more cardio, so a lot more hill walking, providing I get the all clear to do so. Because one thing I really enjoy being out here in these woodlands, out in the hills. It's my happy place. So I want to kind of continue to be able to do this for as long as possible. And if I've got to put a bit of work in to make sure that happens, then I'm going to do what I need to do to kind of live a long and kind of active, happy life. So yeah, definitely give me a bit of a kick up the bum, if that makes sense. So today, although I'm just local, I've been out pretty much all day. I came out about 7 o'clock to walk the dogs when it was nice and cool, and it's come up to 8 o'clock, and I've been on my feet pretty much all day, just kind of walking around. And it's been a really good time actually, because I've had a chance to test some shoes that a company called Fitville sent me. So anyway, thanks for bearing with me, and hopefully I'll be out there in the wider hills, soon, and hopefully I'll see you next time.